Let us start with another type of elimination of a useless symbol, that is nothing but the non-reachable symbols. First topic we have seen that we have found out the symbols which are non-generative, means which are not giving any production to any non-terminal, means a string. So such a symbols are not useful in our grammar. So we have deleted such a symbols. Now in this time we have to see which are the non-reachable symbols. To which symbol we are calling as a non-reachable. For example, a symbol X is a reachable. A symbol X is a reachable if it can be reached from the start symbol. What I am saying, a symbol X particularly can be a reachable if it can be reached from the start symbol. Means we have to only keep that non-terminals in our grammar which are having a production directly from the starting non-terminal, or which are having the production by the non-terminal which is from the starting non-terminal. For example, I will say like if S gives X A B or B, then X is giving P Q, then P is giving something, Q is giving. Though P and Q are not directly in the production of a starting non-terminal, but they are in the production of a X, and X is origined from the S, that is a starting non-terminal, so it is a reachable symbols. So we have to find that symbols which are not reachable and try to remove them from our grammar. For example, if S is a starting non-terminal and giving production of a alpha, that is the all combination with some grammar rules, and alpha contains a variable, for example x, then X is reachable, means that I have explained before some time. I will give one noting point to you, that is a grammar containing a non-reachable symbol here should be simplified by deleting every production containing that non-reachable symbols, as like that of the elimination of a non-generating symbol we have seen previously. In that cases we were deleted all the part of the grammar that are containing that non-generating symbols. Now we will see which is the method for finding the non-reachable symbols. A non-reachable symbol can be located with the help of a dependency graph. What we can using, we can use a dependency graph. A variable x is said to be dependent on s if there is a production. For example, s is giving alpha 1, alpha 2, x. Then for this mechanism we can show the dependency graph like s x, means s is dependent on x through the mechanism, that is s gives alpha 1 x alpha 2. So for finding whether any terminal is reachable, non-terminal is reachable or not, we have to first find the dependency between all the production groups. Means we must draw a dependency graph for all productions. If there is no path from the start symbol S to a variable x, then that variable is non-reachable from the starting non-terminal, and such a variable, means such a non-terminal, can be removed from the grammar. For demonstration of this, we will take one example. There is a productions and rules are S gives A capital A. Again, A is having the production. S B or BCC. Then C is having the A B and E is having the AC production. Now we have to find here there any variable that is non-reachable by applying the basic theory mechanisms of the non-reachable symbols. First of all, we will find out which is the dependency graph for this grammar. For example, S is giving A capital A small a. So S is dependent on A. Why it is dependent? Because it is having a production A in its production rule. So we will say like we will draw the dependency graph as like dependence on A by the mechanism S gives A means S is dependent on A. Now